Welcome to our math lesson nationwide today. Today, I want to continue from where I stopped, and I want to explain to you about alternate angles. After explaining alternate angles to you, I'm going to give you some past questions so that you can see how easy it is to solve questions involving diagrams, shapes, and lines in mathematics. But make sure you have listened to part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this program before you get to this number. Now, listen to this. When they ask you some question, they will not say find the alternate angle. No, they will say find X or find Q or find M when they give you a diagram. Look at this diagram on the screen. Okay? Can you see this diagram on the screen? Okay, so NECO, Waec, GCE, or any O-level exam will be asking you questions based on it. Now, let me show you some secrets or key points you need to master in order to be able to have A in your mathematics concerning questions involving alternate angles. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Now, look at line EG. Do you see this line? EG. Now, look at line MG. Do you see this line MG? Okay. Now, the angle between line EG and MG is said to be alternate to the angle between line MG and MQ. Look at this angle. Look at this angle. Are you seeing it on the screen? Okay. So, whenever you are given a question involving diagrams like this, you must look for the alternate angles. Okay? Now, it comes in different forms. Look at this one on the screen now. Okay? Now, can you identify pairs of alternate angles here? Look at this diagram very well. Okay? Remember, alternate angles are equal. Okay? Thank you. This is to say angle UQR is also 29 degrees. Can you see that? Look at it very well. Look at this place. Are you seeing this? Angle UQR is also equal to what? 29 degrees. Thank you. Now, let's solve this question. Please look at it very well as we explain it to you step by step.
Angle PQU is equal to 36 degrees. Angle QRT is equal to 29 degrees. And line PQ is parallel to line RS. And line UQ is parallel to line RT. Find angle PQR. Look at this angle. Angle PQR. Okay? Now, given that line UQ is parallel to line RT, therefore, angle UQR is equal to angle QRT because the two of them are alternate angles. Okay? Okay. Now, so that is to say, angle UQR is equal to 29 degrees. So you add that to 36 degrees and you have 65 degrees. And that is the angle you are asked to find. Do you understand? Okay.
Now, so how was your experience? Do you see it? Do you master those key points? Those key points are essential for you to unlock any question involving alternate angles. It can come out in about circle, about triangles, about shapes, about diagrams, or whatever. Okay? If you understood what you learned just now, please write I understood in the comments below. Okay? If you did not understand, ask for more explanation and we will produce another video to explain this to you. Okay? Have a wonderful time. Make sure you subscribe so that you can always get our videos anytime we upload. We are teaching students, schools everywhere, nationwide and beyond. Have a wonderful time. Bye bye.